Migration. For many Indonesian women, it's a journey filled with hope, a chance to provide a better life for their families by working abroad. But behind the promise of economic improvement, there are stories of pain, separation, and silent struggles. Children growing up without mothers, fathers left to fill in unfamiliar roles, families drifting apart, and relationships strained under the weight of distance.
Akibat warga desa Resapombo migrasi ke luar negeri ternyata membawa dampak sosial yang amat sangat berat sekali. Di antaranya tingginya angka perceraian di Resapombo dan akibat perceraian itu banyak anak-anak terlantar sebenarnya, dan perekonomian ternyata juga semakin grafiknya menurun. Untuk itu program pemberdayaan keluarga purna migran di Resapombo ini telah dilaksanakan oleh tim dari UB United Bird yang dari Atmajaya Jogja. Kami mengucapkan terima kasih sekali. Mudah-mudahan ke depan warga-warga kami yang ex-migran kehidupannya semakin membaik.
Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, through the spirit of compassion and inclusion, stepped forward with a deep commitment to reach the often unheard voices of former female migrant workers and their families in Resapombo Village, Doko District, Blitar, East Java.
Empowering Indonesian female migrant workers and their families was made possible with the support from Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta, the United Board for Christian Higher Education in Asia, Talitakum Indonesia, and Resapombo Village governments that in line with SDGs number 17, Partnership for the Goals.
With hearts and ears wide open, our team met village leaders to understand the true conditions of former migrant workers. We knocked on the doors, visited homes, listened to mothers share their sacrifices, and heard stories of resilience, longing, and love. We saw the children left behind, the fathers who struggled to connect, and the women who returned home change. Our team and the sisters from Talitakum lived in with 9 families. We shared meals, daily routines, and honest conversations, not as researchers, but as fellow human beings. These stories reveal deep emotional gaps, but also a powerful desire for healing. We brought family together, mothers, fathers, and children, for participatory and appreciative inquiry workshops. They drew their realities, shared their feelings, and dreamed out loud of what they wanted their families to become. From their voices, 2 urgent needs emerged: stronger family bonds and a more stable economy. So we act. We crafted 2 key programs: building harmonious families and growing economic stability.
Banyak hal yang kita pelajari dalam berkomunikasi dalam anggota keluarga, dan kami belajar merumuskan untuk ide usaha dan komunikasi pemasaran.
The programs were held sessions on communication, conflict resolution, parenting, and resilience. We also reached out to local youth. At SMK Negeri 1 Doko, we held a school seminar on communication, sexuality, reproductive health, financial literacy, to equip the next generation with awareness and strength.
Sekolah berterima kasih kepada Universitas Atmajaya Yogyakarta atas program komunikasi dan reproduksi remaja, serta literasi keuangan. Semoga wawasan tersebut bisa memberikan bekal kepada siswa SMKN 1 Doko.
And to ensure continuity, we trained 11 local cadres, community members dedicated to walking alongside families in crisis. They are the village new bridge of hope, monitoring, assisting, and staying connected through simple tools like WhatsApp.
Kami dari CU Sawiran sangat senang sekali diikutkan dalam program pemberdayaan keluarga purna migran. Semoga apa yang sudah kami berikan bisa membantu meningkatkan perekonomian keluarga Purna Migran di Desa Resapombo.
Saya sudah mengikuti pendampingan keluarga Purna Migran dan kami sudah mendapatkan keterampilan dan pengetahuan. Dan keterampilan dan pengetahuan itu sudah kami praktekkan untuk mendampingi keluarga yang membutuhkan pendampingan, dan sekarang keluarga tersebut sudah menjadi keluarga harmonis.
This is more than a project. It is a movement of listening, empowering, and restoring.
Because behind every woman who migrates
is a family that holds on.
And when we support them,
we don't just rebuild families.
We restore dignity, hope, and future.
This is our commitment. Small kindness bring happiness. From Resapombo, with love for all of us.